Content number 3 idea going into 2025 on social media is going to be a cost analysis. And so getting on there and showcasing, okay, what is the cost of maybe putting, replacing the entire driveway? Not only just the cost of what having a company come in and do that, but get some of those intangible costs like, the time or the energy to try and block off your day to be at home while they replace the driveway. Try and come up with an idea outside the box on how ineffective or how troublesome or just how bothersome it might be to have a concrete company come and replace the entire driveway or sidewalk. If you do commercial work, talk about the disruption to the day that companies would have when they choose to use a concrete company to be able to replace everything, how the entire workflow of that area might need to change. Whereas, as we all know, the concrete leveling, the benefit to that, you guys can be in and out 15 minutes after it's done. You guys can use that walk area or that driveway or whatever it might be. And so it's, utilizing some of that, talk about that cost basis, talk about the problems that you can solve and the benefit to that customer when it comes to either financials or, the workflow of the day. So